I like forgot where the record button was for a second there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I turn this down, I can't think. So I've been gone for a good bit. I think my last video was like 2 months ago. That makes me pretty sad, actually. I've missed filming. It's really fun and I just missed it a lot. So yeah, I'm back at it. Hopefully I will keep at it because there's just a lot happening right now. So basically what I wanted to do in this video is just kind of like life, wedding, just everything update. And I also wanted to do a review of the Origins Clear Improvement Moisturizer right here. Is anyone else like absolutely obsessed with Lizzo? Because I love her. Like, my cousins introduced me to Truth Hurts, and then ever since then I'm just obsessed with everything about her. So I'll start with the wedding since that's like the biggest thing that's happening right now. So it is, what is it? It's July 29th right now, so it's like almost 2 months away, which is crazy because I feel like he just proposed to me. Like, I feel like the last year has flown by so incredibly fast. But yeah, so everything is pretty much taken care of at this point. Like, one of the biggest things that was stressing me out recently was the fact that we like still didn't know what food we were gonna have to like feed all of these people. We invited 168 people and our place, like the venue, can only hold 160. So as of right now, like probably around 100 have RSVP'd. So I'm like, these people are gonna need food and I don't know what to do for them. So like we had talked about just like catering it ourselves and making all of the food, getting our family members just to like make stuff, bring it in, and it was just a lot. It was just a lot to think about, a lot to like strategize on that day. So then we'd also thought about like buying certain dishes from certain places and then like bringing other stuff, but like the thought of having to drive to numerous restaurants the day of the wedding and then also having to make sure that everything else is like taken care of was just a lot. It's just a lot of stuff to worry about that day. So we ended up finding a caterer locally that Preston and I actually went to go taste like the main dishes today, actually, just to like figure out, like, to make a final decision on what we wanted. And it was so good. Like, I'm so excited about the food for this wedding now. So we got that like all figured out. Everything is good to go with that. We've got the cake figured out. I just need to give her like a head count. I've probably said this in previous videos, but like the DJ, the photographer, we have a videographer. It's just a lot. It's a lot of stuff. So, but it's been fun. It's been like a really good time. I've really like enjoyed planning my own wedding, to be honest. So there's that, the whole thing. I feel like September is gonna be just an insane month. So not only is that going to be the month, like the last month right up until the wedding, so therefore it's like finalizing all these details and like, you know, getting all these numbers and all of these like things to different vendors and all of that. My salon that I work at is actually moving locations. So like that's a whole thing, which I'm really excited about. That's not like a scary thing to me. It's going to be like 3 times the size of our salon now. There's, you know, more staff that's getting hired on, so that'll be really cool. So right now I am a makeup artist there, but I'm also an assistant. So when we move to the new salon, I actually won't be assisting anymore, which is exciting but also like really scary because that's like a set income. Like I know my hours every week. I know how much I'm making an hour, and that's like what I get every 2 weeks. Whereas at the new salon, I'm going to be doing makeup, like facial waxing, and I'm also going to be doing microblading and lash extensions. So just that whole thing is just terrifying but very exciting. So I'm actually like pretty well into my microblading training right now. I'm still not at the point where I can like work on someone's face. It's like you have to go through levels and I'm still like a couple levels away from being able to do that. But it's like, I'm like right there. I'm so close. And like literally a couple days ago, my boss actually paid for me to go and do my lash extension training. So this coming Sunday into Monday, me and my friend Ricky are actually going to Charlotte and we're going to be, she's going to be my model and I'm going to be learning how to do lash extensions. So it's just a lot of learning and a lot of like change all at once. So, oh, also Preston and I found an apartment. Yay! Because that was like a huge, terrifying, stressful thing because like we live in, it's not like a small town by any means. I've been to small towns, but like I don't know, the things that were available were just not really like good. Like everything, I have the Zillow app, and everything that popped up on Zillow was just like not good. It was either trashy or it was like a good price, but they didn't allow dogs, and like they had no utilities. You know what I mean? Like it was just, there were so many different things that just didn't line up. Well, we ended up driving around, my family and I, and we found these ones like halfway between my parents' house and his parents' house, and the price is good, the utilities that they have are good. They unfortunately don't allow animals, so Preston's dog Slade won't be able to come with us, but he is literally right down the street from us, so we can like go visit him whenever. The landlord, as far as I know, I've only talked to her a couple times, but she's like incredibly sweet, and it's just like such a cute little apartment. Like I'm so excited. A couple months ago, my mom and I went to Goodwill, and I actually found this couch there, and it's really, really ugly. like the fabric is really ugly. The shape is really cool, and I like it, but it was $80. I'm not gonna not buy a cool shaped $80 couch. So I bought it, and my mom actually knows how to reupholster things, so I yesterday or 2 days ago just bought 10 yards of like amazing fabric that we're gonna reupholster the whole thing. We're gonna change the color of like the wooden legs, so that's gonna be a whole thing, and I'm really excited to get started on that so that it's just ready to go. I don't remember when, like what happened in the last video, but I went to New York to see my cousin get married. I got a tattoo. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it's this. If you're on my Instagram, you probably saw it. It's a little note from my mom that just meant a lot to me. So yeah, guys, basically that's pretty much it. I'm sure by the end of the video here I'll think of something else that has happened in the past couple months that I've not told you guys about. But yeah, that's why I've been MIA on YouTube for the past 2 months. If you do follow me on Instagram though, I have been fairly active on there. I try to somewhat keep posting and at least have something like on my story every once in a while, just because I don't want you guys to completely forget about me. Alright, so I guess that is it for like my little life update. So I guess I'll just jump right into reviewing this moisturizer. I am still like a member of like the Influencer app. I don't do as much with it just because of everything that I just told you about, but I do try to, you know, every once in a while keep up with it. And they actually sent me a 1.7 fluid ounce container of the new Origins Clear Improvement Moisturizer right here. It is It is a pore clearing moisturizer with bamboo charcoal. It has 1% silicic acid in it too. So I've been using this. I got sent it for free by Influencer. I already said that. But I've been using this for like, I want to say like a month now, maybe like a month and a half. I don't know, I'm losing track of time. But literally since I've been using this, I've also been trying to drink like mad amounts of water. My skin has cleared up so much, like it's insane. Like I'll get like a couple every once in a while, but right now all of the like little spots on my face are just like little just red marks from like leftover stuff. It's not like blemishes everywhere. I love it, and it's not super duper moisturizing like I was using one from Kiehl's. It's like the ultra repair or something. I could be wrong, I don't know, but it was a Kiehl's moisturizer. Really love that one too. But it is like more of like not a heavy moisturizer, but like you can feel it on your skin for a good bit after putting it on. This, you kind of put it on, you feel it there, and then like after like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, you feel like there's nothing even on your face anymore. So if you're looking for a moisturizer that's like really deep moisturizing, if you have like super dry skin, this might not be for you, unless you want to use this and then top it with something else. Like what I was doing when I needed, like I had a little bit of dryness around my nose and just random spots, I would use this, and then on top of it I would take a little bit of like what is it, like a face oil, just like a face oil. And I would just like pat it all over my face, and that would add a little bit of more moisture back to my skin. But as far as this, like with the silicic acid in it, and I don't know what the deal is with this bamboo charcoal, but it is amazing. My sister's yelling. It does, this is what it looks like. It's like light gray. If you've ever smelled any of like the Tatcha products, they have like, they smell good, but they have like that medicinal smell to it. That's kind of like what this is. It's not like a ooh yummy like coconut you know, type of a smell. It's very like herbal smelling. But yeah, no, I love this. And I just, you know, after washing my face, I get out of the shower, I usually use like a witch hazel toner, just to make sure I got everything off of my face, and then I just scoop a little bit out and rub it everywhere and I'm good to go. And then, like I said, if I need more moisture, I just use the oil on top. And this actually, like this moisturizer, I feel like I'm definitely going to repurchase it like when I get through there, which this is like a really like good amount of product for them to have sent me. Like for me to have been using this for like about a month and a half, it really has not gone down much. So you only need like a little bit. You really don't need to load this on your face. But I will be buying more of this when I run out because it's that good. And honestly, this, and I also was using, I think in my last video I talked about like products that I had gotten in Atlanta from my friend Lois. She had like a bunch of samples and stuff that she just wasn't using, so she like gave them to me and my friend Ricky. One of the products in there was like it was like a resurfacing or retexturizing mask, like a little pink mask from Origins. Between that product, which was the first Origin products that I had ever tried, and this one, I really want to try more of Origin products, because the fact that 2 of their products have worked really, really well for me just tells me like they're doing something right. So yes, it has the 1% salicylic acid and then bamboo charcoal in it. It says that it is recommended for normal to oily skin. So like I said, if you have super dry skin, you'll just kind of want to add a little bit of moisture back to it. The benefit, all-day oil-free hydration. It helps clear and help prevent acne breakouts and blackheads. But yeah, so if you are like struggling with breakouts and all of that, definitely drink water because I have been sick in the past week and I have felt like absolute crap. It was just like a head cold type of thing, or allergies that turned into a head cold type of thing, and now I feel like it could potentially be an ear infection. Possibly. I have to wait a day or so to see if that's truthful. So I've been like loading up on the water. That's been like the main thing that I've been drinking. And since I've been doing that and using this, I'm telling you, my skin has cleared up crazy amounts. And also you can get this size, the 1.7 fluid ounce, on the Origins website for $34. So, alright guys, so I guess that's all that I have for you right now. I think. Yes, go buy this if you have acne problems. Do it. It's a good one. Alright. I have to get off of here because I need to go just handle everything in my life that's happening currently. I'm just gonna listen to Lizzo instead of all of my responsibilities. Anyways, alright guys, so if you saw on my Instagram, I was on like my Instagram story a couple nights ago. I took I took a video of like my laptop screen, and I have like a list of video ideas. That I want to do. So this is one down. I have a whole bunch more to go. I will try to kind of like, I'm gonna try my best to fit a bunch of different things into maybe the mornings or something, because I need to keep up with this channel because I absolutely love filming for YouTube, and I love you know, attempting to be an influencer. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try to, you know, do better with my schedule, and hopefully we'll see you guys here more often. Things will definitely get better though when I move into my new apartment after the wedding is over, because at that point everything will be kind of chill, settled, all of this up in the air crap will be done. So look forward to that. I am going to have a beauty room, so that'll be exciting. I might do some sort of like an apartment decorating type of moving type of video, so we'll see how that all goes. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, a great night, whatever time of day it is when you're watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.